Hey there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name's Richard. I'm still coming to you with no pants and hopefully plenty of profits. And you know, a lot of us will sit here on the computer or on our phone all day and we'll check our stock prices, we'll check our crypto prices, we'll check everything like that. But I came across a device online. I was actually on vacation. I came across a device online and I was like, just blindly, didn't see any reviews on it or anything like that. I just ordered 6 of them. I've given them one of them away as a gift already. That's why you'll see I only have 5. But I want to talk to you today about these little guys right here. These are called TickrMeters. It's a physical device for showing the price of an asset you may have. So you'll see I've got that physical device and I can show the price of an asset. The cool thing is they last a long time on a battery because they are an e-ink display. So this is like a Kindle. This has a display like a Kindle and it's got a little light. So if something's up for the day, it'll be green. If something's down for the day, I got 2 of them, like charge points. So we've got Bitcoin, which is up for the day. And you can see it updates every minute, so we might get an update there, 28,571. And then we've got charge point, which is down for the day. Now, this doesn't change when the market changes, but you'll see this one just went from charge point to Tesla. So you can have up to 10 stocks run in rotation, and then every 2 minutes, it will actually change the stock that's displaying on the screen, and it also changes the number there. And what's also really cool is these are stackable. So they're stackable and they're magnetic to a point. So there's a magnetic snap. I'll see if I can get on the... You can hear that. There's a magnetic snap. The magnet doesn't do... I'll show you where the angle is. Actually, well, a lot better than I thought it would be. But you can see, hey, look, we have a new price there. So I've got a Bitcoin one. I've got one that's running across multiple different places. I've got this one, which is for Apple. And I'm going to show you the different things that you can do with them. I've got one for, who's going on top? Tesla alone. So that Tesla one on the bottom is going to change in about 2 minutes. And it's going to have something else because it's got Ford, it's got ChargePoint, it's got EVgo. It's my big EV bucket. But they do actually need to be plugged in. They have batteries in them. But I have one right here, which has a cable in it. And you've got contacts on the top. So not just with the magnets that stick together, but, oh, this is going to be hard to do two-handed. But there we go. Kind of a cool tower. Maybe also a thumbnail. Well, let's go ahead and get that. Maybe also a thumbnail right there. Ding! But the idea is you've got these and you can stack them up one on top of the other. You'll see that, again, there's 2 Tesla ones. But let's go ahead. Let's pull one out. Let's pull the... so I just leave these up here on my monitor. Stack them up when they need to charge. But we'll pull the bottom one that said Tesla. Should have switched over to something else by now. But we're going to pull out the one that we know we've got right here. So let's pull out... Whoop! Whoop! Fell behind the screen. Let's pull out Bitcoin. Let me show you how this works. So when you get it, what it's going to do is when you get it for the first time, it's going to set up its own Wi-Fi network. What you do is you just connect to that Wi-Fi network. It'll automatically pop up a screen that says setup, and then you will set it up to your Wi-Fi network. And then once you do, you'll just go to TickrMeter.io. You go to My Devices, and I'm going to show you what this does. So I'm at TickrMeter.io. I'm at My Devices, and you'll see New Device. It will pop up on the screen a little 5-digit code there. You'll put that little 5-digit code from your TickrMeter directly into the screen, and then it will take you to the My Devices screen. And then once you're on that screen, you can do some pretty cool stuff. So I happen to have the one right here that is for Bitcoin. Easiest one to modify, easiest one to change. So I'm just going to click over here, and I'm going to take the one that I have Bitcoin to USD. You'll see my numbers right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right, and then I can just go ahead and I can hit configuration. And it is Bitcoin, but let's change it to a crypto. And we will say Doge. And we're going to hit search. Interval, the quickest update interval you can have is every 1 minute. You can have the LED brightness be off or low or high. And then you can even say, let's say you bought Doge at 1 penny. You're one of those people that bought Doge at 1 penny, 0.01. So you bought Doge at 1 penny. Now here's what I can do. When I hit send to TickrMeter, Or I can also, just as a note, I can make an alert when it goes greater than a certain price or lower than a certain price. And there are actually speakers in these devices which are not yet enabled. But if I click to here, I'm not going to create an alert. I'm going to have it show right here. And you'll see we're going to go from Bitcoin. Just to show you how fast this is. I'm going to hit send to TickrMeter. Well, I want you to be able to see. And it's already at Doge. And you see it kind of refreshes. It's like those, it kind of runs like those little price tags that are at Best Buy and at different places like that. So I can literally go in, and just to show you how quick this is no, let's just make it QQQ. So we're going to go to the stock symbol, QQQ. I'm going to show you my computer. I'm going to search for it. All right. I don't know if I have enough hands to really do this. I will tell you. Let's just, because QQQ is probably down today. So you'll be able to see if I hit send to TickrMeter. There we go. That's literally how quick it actually updates. Or if I wanted to, let's just go for SQQQ, just so you can see the actual change in color. So SQQQ, because that was down today. So let's click on SQQQ, send to TickrMeter. I can show you in full screen because one is going to go red. Maybe. Push successfully. My SQQQ. Oh, I think I chose the wrong one. So let's just go QQQ. I'm going to show you again to SQQQ. I'm going to hit search and show you. I mean, it's literally that quick. Now, the other cool thing you can do with TickrMeter, so remember, you can stack these guys up, and what's cool is once you get them fully charged, when you stack it like that, they're going to charge each other. Now, you see there's two SQQQs right here, so I might just want to go, let's go to my browser. I'll just hit one of those SQQQs, change it to TQQQ, which you really don't need these both because one's going to be up just as much as one's down. And if I hit send, you'll see very quickly, I blocked it, just turned green. So these are actually charging, and you'll see my Tesla one, or one of my Tesla ones, is actually low. So I just stack that right on top. It's lost one battery bubble. Stack that right on top, and it'll charge. Now, the other cool thing you could do, I was alluding to this earlier, is you can actually make a playlist of devices. So I've got a playlist of stocks. So you can have a playlist of up to 10 stocks. If I had one criticism, which literally, I have one criticism of this, you can, number one, only add 10 stocks. Fine, not a big criticism, just get more devices. But my other criticism is that you can only have it change the stock symbol every 2 minutes. So I'd like to update it a little better on the cycle interval. So I'd like it so I can, look in every 10 seconds. I've got a different stock there because I keep them up like that. But this is like literally a physical stock ticker in your world. And if I wanted to make a playlist, I can just click over to my playlist. And I can be like, okay, new playlist. Let's say Apple, Tesla, Apple, Tesla, Ford. So I've got Apple, Tesla, and Ford. Update interval is 1 minute. I say select market data, and I can just type in the name. So AAPL. And I can hit add. I can go TSLA. And let's say I know what I bought Tesla at. I bought Tesla at about $35 a share. So I can hit add. And what was I going to do? Ford, which is just F. So I've got my purchase price in here. I can hit save playlist. And which one did I have right here? I have Tesla. So all I have to do is I go over to my devices. I click on that one that needed to charge, which was called Tesla. You'll see them right there. So they change in real time. They're really awesome that they change in real time and everything like that. I'm just going to click back here. I'm going to change that Tesla one, configure it to play a playlist, choose my playlist, which will be Apple, Ford, and Tesla. And before I can even say send to TickrMeter, let's just see if I can get that there. There we go. I'll hit send to TickrMeter, and it's already got my playlist right there. So it's got my Tesla, and the cool thing is it actually has my overall profit, which is 450%. So I can actually have it track my overall profit, my overall return, or, you know, my actual return there. But I do love these things. I'll give you pricing on them in a minute, but let's just see if I just stack them up here. One of them always seems to find its way out of my stack, but I'll just stack them right here. And when I need to charge them, I'll keep them right there, nice in a big stack. I do have the Apple Studio display. One of the cool things is the Apple Studio display has these little perforated holes right here, and it just lines up exactly perfectly with the little charging holes on the bottom. So yes, let's just see, TickrMeter. Let's see the prices. I bought 6 together all at once. I thought it was a pretty good price. TickrMeter.io. Ticker, TickrMeter. Let's just Google it real quick. TickrMeter, a physical stock ticker for your desk. I think they sold it exactly perfectly. Potential seller issues. No, seller's been perfectly fine. They shipped it quickly and everything like that. Worldwide delivery. And let's just see, order here. Just so you see, you can get a single one for 99 bucks. Great gift. Even if you don't want it for yourself, it does make a great gift. And they do come individually packaged. Let me see if I can find one. They do come, if you order the 6-pack, the cool thing is they are actually individually packaged. So you have your package, you have a USB cable. They're packaged very nicely. I've got that USB cable plugged in right now. So you can order 6, so you can give them all out as gifts. So it's $99 each if you do go ahead and get one. You'll save $10 each on 2. You'll save a little bit. Hold on. You'll save $10 each on 2. You'll save $50 total on 3. Or if you do go ahead and get the 6-pack, you'll save quite a nice amount of money, over $100 you will save by getting the 6-pack. So I went ahead and I got the 6-pack. I really do love the TickrMeter, and you know, maybe since I'm a fat guy, I ordered the 6-pack because, you know, I've always wanted a 6-pack. No, that's a joke. But right here, TickrMeter, I'm taking 4 out right now. I really do love it. You can have different color lights and different things like that. It's not just red and green. These are full color LEDs, and they do have a speaker in. And the good news is, I do have to mention, it is USB-C. So it's not one of these older products that uses USB-B or anything like that. But they are very well made. They have fallen down multiple times, not due to the fault of that, but due to the fault that I like to balance it right on my monitor. I really do love the TickrMeter. If you've got any questions about TickrMeter, limitations, anything like that, want me to check if a stock or a crypto is on the system, I'm happy to do that. This is Richard from No Pants Profits with his TickrMeters, reminding you that when you wear no pants, the only thing you have left to lose is your shirt. And if you have a TickrMeter, you have a physical manifestation in the real world that you can play with and jumble your stocks and stuff like that. But I really do like the TickrMeter. Check them out at TickrMeter.com. And I do love they have a different website just for managing your TickrMeter, which is really cool, so you don't ever go to the management page or the sales page by mistake. So Richard from No Pants Profits saying, well, don't lose that physical manifestation of your stocks. And remember, when you wear no pants, the only thing you got left to lose is your shirt. Have a great one. Bye.